Alright guys, this is me driving the quad crasher. I'm about to get this epic kill with a hunting rifle. A hunting rifle. But this is when I die though, so. But I get the kill, but then I die. So I have 1 kill right now. I'm about to have 4. I'm about to go into the action soon. Cause I'm about to get this supply drop, then I'm about to kill myself with an RPG. I know that sounds like a noob, but I don't really care how I play on Fortnite. Yeah, that's me. I'm gonna waste my ammo. Yeah, I'm wasting my ammo. Yep, I know I can't hit it from there, so. Yep, that's me.
And this dude tried to take an RPG, but he took it.
Yeah, this dude trying to take my RPG, but I took it. Like my cousin said. Can you fast forward a little bit to where I get it? Alright, fast forwarding. Alright. This is where I kill myself. For a reason, so I can spawn into action, okay? Not because I'm a noob, but because I need to spawn into action. Alright, sounds so weird. Alright. Alright. I'm about to get this hunting rifle, guys. Soon. Sometime soon. Sorry for the shakiness, I'm just excited. Yeah, I'm about to get this hunting rifle. Watch this. I'm about to get a kill with this. Alright. I'm about to get some kills. This dude, he kills me first. Then I respawn into action with my hunting rifle. And then I get that dude. Sorry for the shakiness, but I'm just excited and pumped for this. Alright, here we go. Sorry about the finger. Alright, this is it. Alright, watch this. I'm about to get killed with this hunting rifle. I'm about to take this dude. I'm about to shoot over there at the action where enemies are. Now watch this, watch this. You see that dude? Got him. I'm just about to take cover, die, and then I'm about to spawn back in this action and show y'all guys the damage I did. Show y'all guys that epic shot. Alright. About to get some wood. Yeah, what's going up there? What is that? I'm kind of still new to Fortnite because I haven't played it in like 2 or 3 years, so yeah. Alright, I'm about to get back into action. Once this supply drop starts falling. Alright. Starting to fall. Alright, I'm about to just go. This noob here sees I'm shooting at him, but he's not even gonna turn around. Alright, watch this. Boy, what are you doing? Alright, watch this shot. Watch that. Watch this. This is epic. Watch this. Got him! Got him! Got him! Got him! Alright. That's it for today, guys.